Here we've got Samsung Galaxy A51, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you should locate and open Accounts and Backup, and go to the accounts. You'll have to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and if you are, just click on Add Account, pick Google because we would like to log in with our Google account. Now give your device a short while. And here it's time to enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it's HardReset.Info 1 at gmail.com. And then click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And then click on Next. And here you can come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you agree with all the conditions, just click on I agree. And here, as you can see, backup to Google Drive is active. Click on Accept to confirm your selection of some particular Google services. And that's it. Now your device is connected with this Google account, and you will be able to use all the features from Google. Then if you would like to remove Google account, you have to open Accounts and Backup one more time. Then go to the accounts, select the one that you are currently logged in, and then tap on Remove Account. Confirm that you would like to delete this account with all its messages, contacts, and other data by tapping on Remove Account. Then confirm by tapping on OK. And this is it. Okay. You'll have to add the pattern to confirm if you have one set. And that is all. You've just removed Google account from your device. And that would be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.